Okay, here we go again. Stupid thing wasn't recording. How do you take that and make it look like that from this? Okay, I'm gonna show you here, but you can see from way back here in 5 minutes or less. So it's called Save Your Money and Don't Be a Dumbass. I thought about selling it, but nah. Learned here, Mobile Mo. Mobile Mo. See that right there? Mobile Mo. Anyways, if you're on my site, then you're probably already know it's Mobile Mo. So there we go. From that to that. Very easy. Save you tons of money. Don't be a dumbass and go out there and buy that stuff. For I could easily put this in a different can or something and sell it for, I don't know, $29.99. I'll make you guys a deal this month, $9.99. If you buy 2 of them, get them for $9.99. If you buy 1, I'll give it to you for $15.99. All right, last call. I'll give it to you for $7.99, and you'll be able to do your car 4 or 5 times with them. So save you some money. Nah, I can't do that, man. I can't rip people off. Rub and compound, secret stuff. Do this once a month. If you want them really clean, you could do it every 2 months. But you guys ready? From that to that. Ready? No secret stuff. Just wipe it off. Rub and compound. Doesn't hurt your car. If you got a nice car, you know, it'll bring the color out. Yes, sir. He learned it at Mobile Mo. Can't say I didn't give anything for free, huh? There you go. This is 2 minutes. Woohoo! World record. Just kidding. Ta-da! These lights are hurting, but if you maintenance them, keep them up, you should be cool. Ta-da! Rub and compound, turtle wax, you name it. Mobile Mo. Share it. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't be greedy. That's not cool, man. No need to buff them out. No need to sand them down. Just wipe them down. You might want to clean them a little bit. Maybe a little bit of alcohol or soap before you. Well, no, because these have, I ain't gonna lie, this have a lot of bird poop, but 3 minutes. Brand new. Mobile Mo. I got my doctor outfit on. See this? What's up? Mobile Mo. See ya. What's up?